Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Zing for Class 5 Basic Science Part 2 Kerala Board UNIT-5 Sky Near at Hand. Complete unit answers. Please watch the video till end. First one, why did Grandpa say so? Is it correct to say so? Yes, it is correct. What is your opinion? My opinion is the sky is never just the sky. The sky is never just the sky is a complex web. Emotions of perspective of emotions, and depending on who is seeing it, who is narrating, who is seeing it, it should be more complex. Next one is the main point. In each star of a star cluster is connected to one another. Figure of a girl can be seen. The story popular among the Greek was that she was a princess and she was chained. The princess name was. Next one is sky watching. Can you imagine any shape in the dots given in the picture? Connect the dots and draw the shape you see. Did everyone get the same shape? No. The ancient people imagined certain shapes connecting the neighboring stars. They gave the names of mythological characters existed in the respective regions to identify the stars. They observed and understood the relationship between the position of the stars and the climate. Next question is, what is sky? Answer, the space above the earth that you can see when you look up. It's called sky. Second question, where did the sky begin? Answer, the sky technically begins at the surface of the earth. Question number 3, what all do we see in the sky when we look at it from the earth? Answer is sun, moon, stars. Next one, when viewed from the earth, we feel that all the celestial bodies are on the same plane. Is it really like that? Discuss. In reality, the planets do not all orbit perfectly in the same plane. Next one is the Hunter Orion. It means this is a constellation visible in the eastern horizon at dusk in December when the stars are connected. We can imagine the shape of a hunter and hence given the name Hunter. Next question, Saptarshi. This is a constellation in the northern horizon clearly visible during the month of April without the aid of telescope. Collect the information about more constellations like this and draw them in the science diary. Answer is Leo, Lion, Taurus, and Bull. Constellations are easily recognizable patterns that help people orient themselves using the night sky. Look at the pictures of the star watching camp organized in a school. You may also participate in the star watching camp and learn more about the sky. What preparation do we need for star watching? Locations, clothing, tools, patience. Look at the picture of a space station. What problems can be faced by the people who reach the space station for experiment? There is no air, space radiation, isolation, confinement, distance from Earth gravity, and the lack of it, and closed or hostile environment. These are the problems faced by the space station. What special arrangements are needed to overcome such problems? Collect more information and record it in the science diary. Special arrangements are life support control system, advanced optical communication, and radiation shielding. Next points, very important point. Explain an object orbiting the earth. We can take pictures of the earth with a camera attached to the object. Many mechanical devices, including cameras and various instruments created by humans, have been sent to the space. They constantly revolve around the Earth. These human made devices are called artificial satellites. Such artificial satellites provide services like GPS, Global Positioning System. Next one is the solar system. Important point, what is the orbit? Like the moon revolve around the sun, the earth and the other planets of the solar system revolve around the sun. The path of the celestial bodies is called the orbit. Important question. Next one, how many planets are there in the solar system? 9. Write down the names of planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Next page is about artificial satellite. Important question. While traveling through an unknown and unfamiliar route, what is the method adopted by the driver of a vehicle to reach the destination easily? Answer is Google Maps are used by the driver to reach the destination. The moon. The moon is the biggest and the brightest spot in the sky at the night, isn't it? What could be the reason? Answer is proximity of the earth, the supermoon, atmospheric conditions, angle of light. So these are the reason for the moon is brightest and biggest planet of solar system. So next important question is, what are some other features of the moon? Write them in the science diary. Spherical, solid, rocky. So, what all the luminous objects are there in the sky? The sun is the closest star to Earth. Like the sun, there are billions of stars in the universe. Many stars have planets and their satellites. Next question: how to differentiate the stars and other celestial bodies? Stars are self luminous celestial bodies, but planets and satellites are not self luminous. The light that falls on these bodies gets reflected and it makes them glow. We perceive them as luminous because of the reflection of light. While observing the sky, we see the stars twinkling, whereas the planets shine without twinkling. These two questions are very important. Next one, what are some other services that artificial satellite provide? Observe the picture and write them down. So, communication, telecommunication, weather forecasting, navigation, broadcasting, scientific research, earth observation. So, next one, artificial satellites of India. INSAT, INSAT, satellite communication, primary purpose, satellite communication. EduSat, related to education. IRNS for navigation. Cartosat, geographical observation. Astrosat, astronomy and astrophysics research. GSAT 7, EMISat for defense. So these are the artificial satellites of India. This one is also important question.